Okay, this is the last part of the 24 as single movements, and we'll do 13 through 24. All right, let's go. So after the single whip, we do the high pat the horse. High pat horse 1, high pat horse number 2. Let's repeat that. High pat horse 1, I'm with the empty stance with my toe. Then step forward in the gongbu, Tai Chi stance. Spear through. This is a chop to the neck, grabbing the neck. Okay? Chop, thrust that palm, like threading a needle. Chop and thrust. Chop and thrust. Okay, let's go back to our holding posture. Take a breath here. And circle the hands down like you're gathering. Shift your weight to your right leg. Bring up the, actually all my weight's in my left, I'm sorry. Weight in the left, kick with the right. And bring the right down. Shift the weight to the right. Bring up the left knee. Kick with the heel. Bend the knee. Bring down the left. As you scoop, shift the weight to the left. Bring up the right knee. Kick with the heel. Bend the knee. Put the right foot down. Scoop up. Shift to the right. Bring up the left knee. Kick with the left. Bring the knee up. Scoop down. Weight on the left. Bring up the right. Kick with the heel. And step down. Lift up the knee. Kick with the left. And let's go back to holding the 1. Take a breath or two to adjust your breathing. Next one, punching both ears. I'm going to bring my hands, I'm pulling in towards my hip. I'm going to step with my right. I'm going to strike both ears. Now I'm going to shift to my left, turn in my right. And I'm going to punch the ears on this side. Shift to my right, turn in my left. Pull in, strike the ears this side. Pull in, strike the ears this side. Turn, I'm doing it to the left and to the right. Here. Pivoting on my foot, pulling into my hips, stepping with my left, punching both of the ears. Okay? Let's go back to holding the 1. Now we're going to combine 2. The snake creeps down and the rooster stands on one leg. So I'm going to hook hand, put all my weight into my right leg. About 70% here, 30% here. Hook hand with the right. My left hand's going to sweep down the inside of my leg. I'm going to shift my weight. Now I'm in a big front stance here. My left hand's going to come down. My right hand's going to come up. I'm going to stand on one leg here. The rooster on one leg. Now bring down your right. Pivot a little bit on your left. Hook hand with the left. Step out with the right. My right hand's going to sweep down the inside of my leg. I'm going to shift forward to the front stance here. I'm going to step up, Rooster on one leg. I'm going to let this down, hook hand with the right, step out with the left. Let the left hand sweep down the inside of the leg. Now you're in a big front stance as you shift the weight to the left. Lift up the right. Bring down the right, hook hand with the left, step out with the left, right hand sweeps down, shift to the right, bring up the left. Rooster on one leg. Let's go back to our holding posture. The next one is the fair maiden play shuttles, much like the brush knee. Block up, push with the right. Adjust the left foot, step with the right, block up with the right, push with the left. Hold the ball, adjust that right foot, step with the left. Block up with the left, push with the right. Hold the ball, left over right. I just adjusted my left foot, step with the right, block up with the right, push with the left. Hold the ball as you adjust that right foot, step with the left, bottom hand comes up to block, right hand pushes. Hold the ball, adjust the left foot, step with the right, block up with the right, push with the left. Good. And let's go back to holding. Breathe at your Dan 10. And another combined movement. We'll go needle at the C bottom. My right hand's coming down towards my left toe. My hand comes up and I open the fan. Okay, turn. Now my stance is empty in my right toe. Reach down with the left towards the right toe. Hand comes up. Push with the right. Open up the left. My left's blocking up here. Okay. Turn. You can do a hold the ball if you want. Right hand towards the left toe. Hand comes up. My left hand's in the inside of my right elbow. I'm going to press, push, opening up the fan. Okay, hold the ball. And left hand towards right toe. Now my right hand's in the inside of my left elbow. Open up the fan. Press, push with the right hand. Block with the left hand. Hold the ball. Pivot on your right. Empty stance. Toe touch. Go down. The right hand. Left hand as you come up is the inside of the right. Push with the left. Open up the fan. Good. Let's go back to holding the posture. Hold the 1. Another combined motion we're going to do. We're going to do the punch, shifting to my left. Let the hand slip under. It's called a parent close-up, and push. Let's do that again. Your hand's going to sweep out, back fist, cover, step with the right, punch. Left hand slips under the right arm and push. Let's do that again. I want you to back fist with the right, cover and step with the left. Same time. punch with the right as you shift forward to your left leg. Left hand slips under your right. Bring the right hand back. Shift the weight to the right leg. Now shift to the front leg, the left, and hold it. All right, last movement. We're going to shift to the right. I'm going to carry the tiger back to the mountain. Now my weight's 50-50. To the cross hands, separate, and come down. Let's do that from the push. From the push, I'm going to shift to my right, turn to my right, opening up big. My weight's still on my right, but now I'm going to pick up the tiger back to the mountain. Now my weight's 50-50. Come onto the cross hands, separate, and come down. Last one. From the push, open. Carry the tiger back to the mountain. Cross hands. Separate the hands, let them come down, come back up. Now you're in your Wuji stance, Wuji standing. Take 3 breaths to your Dantian here. All right, feet together. Thank you. Work hard.